Welcome to another Darren and adventure. So, where are we today, Liana?
We're at Cookie Corner on the River Ada.
And what we're going to do?
We're going to do a long walk involving 2 bridges, 2 dogs, 2 balls and 2 nutters.
So, with us today are Ace in his normal pose waiting for his ball, and the mad one.
Leela.
Say hello, Leela. People. There, here. Go and get it. Go and get it. Get it. Yeah. Come on, get it. Come on and get the... Yeah.
You've timed that well, didn't you?
Yeah, absolutely. Got it over there.
Don't worry about isn't it nice to just like that? I'm sure they're just enjoying themselves like that. Complicated little things, aren't you? Or is it us that make it complicated?
That's definitely them.
You see all the stuff in the pumps.
Yeah.
Really useful when they come up. Was it that one?
No, it's further round.
It's the wrong shape. Hopefully they'll can let him off, but I can't see any people further along once you get around the corner. Yeah, it's that one there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true. Oh, yeah, it's just pictures of me. Oh, I should be filming you.
Lots of dogs about
That's
today,
on
isn't
the
there?
side. Hey?
Lots
Yeah,
of dogs about.
quite a lot. No on this side, we might go down that field. You're trying to get me, Leela? It's that thing there. It's a part of a house shape thing.
Disgusting. I do love you, Leela, but you don't have to ambush me. I think she's been particularly lively and jumpy and things because she's on
On film.
film and she's been a bit of a princess, isn't she?
They're going down the road as well.
Yeah, should have been her that was a film star, shouldn't it? Should have had her given her media training.
Is Darren ignoring you when you're playing? Is that right?
I'm not. Constantly kicking the bloody thing.
This is just swearing this.
Yeah, do I have to do a beeped version?
One way of cleaning your... That path, that's the area I'm walking back out. Beyond that flyover and then back. It's not that far, is it? You happy with that, or do you want to turn back?
No, keep going.
I don't know how much energy Leela uses up when she's chewing a ball.
Yes, it did say we were going to take the dummies off them, didn't we?
Yeah,
I'm going to do that when we go around this bend.
yeah. We're quite lucky so far, aren't we?
Yeah.
Most of the dogs have been on this side, but they haven't been here.
Right, it's going away now. Go and play. No, go and play. Go and play.
No livestock to be seen. Doing the right visit. Do you want to pick it up next time it's in front of you and put it in your pocket?
His ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then both of his balls are in one place.
Right, it's going away now. Look, going away.
Okay.
Go and play.
Ooh.
See, my little girl's been behaving herself.
What, about in a dump?
Yeah. No, I meant about now a ball's been taken off her.
I think, is it one way here?
Oh! Yeah, someone decided to run off and not realise that they were on a lead. Took my arm with them.
Oh,
Look.
ducks. Up in the sky. Are they going to land on the river? No. 100 feet.
Now, coming back?
The thing is, they're about as good at flying as pheasants, though, really, aren't they?
Oh, I think they're a wee bit better than a pheasant.
They have to flap their wings really fast, though, don't
that's it.
they? When you look at the seagulls above them, they're just gliding around. Might be easier if you put that in the other hand, because if we're actually holding hands, then this path becomes less of a one-person care. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Means if I fall down the side because it's too narrow,
Oh,
you
look,
can
go.
back up again. Okay. Right? I'll get down the hole.
See, the way I see it, if you're going to fall, it's best one of us still being able to walk back and get a car or get help.
I just say you can pull me back up.
So, oi!
You can pull me back up and I'll be fine.
Yeah, but if I fell down with you,
You wouldn't pull me back up. Because you're really strong.
because I'd let
You're
go.
natural.
No, that's what I'm saying, I'd let go. So,
No, you wouldn't let go. You'd pull me back up because you're lovely and you're kind and you don't want me to be hurt.
why don't you pulling me down with you?
I wouldn't pull you down. I'd look at you and say, help me. And then I'd be looking at you and you've let go with a face of, oh my God, you didn't help me. And I only fell down because I couldn't fit on the path because we were both there. That's having fun now, isn't it?
Yeah. So I don't know what yesterday was about.
Maybe he got a bit overtired with it because he did do a lot, didn't he? He needs to kick that. I'll do it in the boot.
Come on. He's got snot all over his nose.
Surprise! Another bank like the earlier one, isn't it? Again, the water would have gone over the top of that when it's really high tide.
Absolutely.
So if you've got a proper boat that's not a kayak with a proper hull and it's really high tide, you've got to know where the deep bit
Yeah.
is.
Absolutely. So some of those motorboats that have gone past
Yeah.
and we've been kayaking are going to have to really stick to the middle, aren't
Yeah. Well, it won't even look like the middle
No,
of
it
this
won't.
fold.
they? No. So yeah, so they're going to have to know which side to hook, aren't they?
I suppose that's the reason for having sonar and stuff, isn't it?
I guess generally as we walked along here, the shallow sides have been this side.
Yeah.
So if they hook that side,
As long as they know where they are and what they're doing. See that, Aaron?
yes.
Okay, is that must be a pool up there on its own.
It's a horse up there.
There are loads of sheep, I think, up there. Pigs up there, obviously. It's a pig hill.
Yeah.
Just can't walk if you walked along because it jolts on it. Charles just not moving, he's just staying at one place. Must be very tired though. Doesn't look like I've got pedals. You can sit down.
Come here. Lena.
We're walking down here and there's a photographer trying to catch the surface which is on this bank, just kind of down the bend in the rain. I'm not enjoying you. I'm not enjoying you. Shut up. Come here. Come here.
Lena. Come here.
Ow! See, that's what you can't do. Jumped on my hip. Quiet. 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 No. It's a beautiful spot here though, isn't it? Just this,
Nice and peaceful and quiet.
this bit here would be lovely, wouldn't it? Sit. Quiet. Quiet. Good
Enough.
boy. Good boy. Good. Good boy. That's it. That's much better, isn't it? Hmm?
Lena.
Face.
Lena.
So this is what Leslie would have been upset about. If they've got another child in a trailer and that child used to be quiet. Another dog will respond to it's you echoing. No, it's different. They get jealous of the other child having a ride.
Really angry. Just chucked that bike to.
Yeah. I thought it was 2 parents.
No.
Quiet. 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 No.
Hey, stop it. Good girl.
Sit. Quiet. Quiet. Nice. Nice. That is beautiful. You're a good boy doing that. That's better. It's much better. Good boy. Good boy. You get such a sugar face, aren't you? That's better. No. Quiet. Sit.
Leela, no. Don't join in.
Quiet.
She thought she was having a wee. I was supposed to just sat quietly. Leela, sit.
He's responding, so I want to let him off. We just keep near us by just.
Leela? Yeah, it's not locked. It's not locked.
No. Wait, I had a pull.
Right, so
He's running with his hounds.
where are we now?
We're now on the bridge to on the. We're just past the chalk pits. No, cement works, sorry. They're the trees that are on the painting in the lounge. And if you notice the shape of the river, those are the houses there where the artist who painted the painting lives. The cement works have been derelict for quite a long time. And yeah, we're just turning around because this is about the only place we can cross over the river. But this is part of the South Downs link, so this is where bikes go. Well, some people